In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Square with Leadpages using Zapier. This setup lets you automate actions like creating customers or tracking payments whenever someone submits a form on your Leadpages page. To get started, open your browser and go to Zapier. Log in to your account or create one if you're new. Once inside the dashboard, click Create Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects apps together. First, set Leadpages as the trigger app. Choose a trigger event such as new lead or form submission. This means the automation will start whenever someone fills out a form on your Leadpages page. Zapier will then ask you to connect your Leadpages account. Follow the on-screen steps and test the trigger to make sure Zapier is receiving data correctly. Next, select Square as the action app. This is what happens after the trigger fires. Connect your Square account when prompted. Then choose the action you want, such as create customer or create payment, depending on how you want to use the lead data. After that, map the fields from Leadpages to Square. For example, you can send the lead's name and email into Square as a new customer. Take a moment to double check the field mapping so the right data goes to the right place. Finally, run a test to confirm everything works properly. If the test is successful, turn the Zap on. That's it. You've successfully integrated Square with Leadpages using Zapier, making your lead capture and payment workflows faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.